Welcome back. We are here on Ether looking at the cryptocurrency market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Tuesday, March 16, 2021. If you like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down right here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. You're very welcome to join. So we'll start by looking at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did break its all-time highs above 60K, and then it fell. At the moment, we're at 56K, and we went all the way down to 54K when it was its lowest today. And then we rallied a little bit back. At this current stage, it could actually fall towards the middle of the Bollinger Band. It's at 51K, or towards the 50 moving average at 46K at this current stage. So this is a fairly big pullback. So people were basically waiting here at 60K and then just started selling this. It doesn't mean like we're going to have a complete collapse. We have had a massive pullback here, a massive pullback here, and we could see an additional one here when we fall all the way down to the 50 moving average. Technical indicators for Bitcoin have all turned around, so it is more likely that we are going to see that instead of rallying above 60K to 65 or 70K. So let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum as well, we rallied up towards the top of the Bollinger Band, which was nearly the highs over here, and then we just fell apart towards the 20 exponential moving average at the 1714. Technical indicators are turning around, so this could break towards the 50, and if the 50 breaks, we could see a complete tidal wave all the way down to the bottom of the Bollinger Band at 1432. So at this current stage, this looks like we are about to turn around here, or it will trade sideways. If we manage to take out these previous highs, then we'll go to these highs of 2014. However, I would not bet the ranch on that when considering that these technical indicators are all turning bearish. So let's look at Cardano. So Cardano keeps falling. It has a gradual grind towards the lower part of the Bollinger Band or the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average will probably will be really interesting for a lot of buyers to enter here. That is at 0.85. Technical indicators, some of them are turning around, while the other ones are still very bearish. MACD is bearish, CCI is bearish, the RSI is bearish, and the stochastic has crossed the signal line, indicating bullish momentum. So, yes, at this current stage, this is in a massive pullback, still in an uptrend, but still a major pullback. And at this current stage, we could test the lower part of the Bollinger Band or even the 50 moving average. So when we do test those, it'll probably rally from that point, because a break of the 50 moving average, well, that will send this a lot lower. So let's look at Litecoin, which got hammered today. So together with the other big cryptocurrencies, this also got really hammered. So we didn't get close to the previous highs here of that 245. We did go outside of the Bollinger Band and then broke down roughly around 9% fall today. Technical indicators are very bearish for this cryptocurrency. So a break up the 20 exponential could open the door to the 50 at 179, and then all the way down to the lower part of Bollinger Band at 153. So at this current stage, in the past, the 20 and the 50 have offered quite a lot of support. So it's not, even though we have this breakdown today, doesn't mean that we'll have a complete collapse in this market. We did collapse here, give or take 25%, and still we managed to rally again. But we did not rally to the very highs. Technical indicators are looking dreadful, so there's not a lot of momentum to the upside in this cryptocurrency. So let's look at NEO. So NEO is looking really dead at this current stage. There is not a lot of movement. We had this massive rally back in the beginning of February when all the other cryptocurrency rallied, and then it just completely collapsed to the downside. Since then, we have gradually grinded upwards, and now we're grinding sideways. Technical indicators are looking dreadful, so this could break towards the 50 moving average at roughly at 33. A break below the 50 opens the door to 30, and then all the way down to the 200 moving average at $22. Break above these previous highs, that could send this higher, but as long as the other major cryptocurrencies are not rallying, don't expect this to rally either. So let's look at Dash. So Dash, so basically the same graph. So it also had this rally in February, broke down, and then has just traded sideways. It was one of the biggest movers in the beginning of February, and since then it has lost nearly half of its value, and has just stayed here in this small range. We did manage to break above the top of the Bollinger Band, and then broke heavily towards the middle. And if we break the middle, then we go all the way down to the 50 moving average at 188. Technical indicators, they are all turning around. So momentum is still to the downside for this cryptocurrency. So hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new series, and you're welcome to join us at our Patreon. Good luck and thank you very much.